Hello everyone. Today we will discuss difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. JDK means Java Development Kit. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. So what is the difference between these three things? What is generally JVM, what is JRE, what is JDK, and how these three things are related? We will discuss in today's class. So, my name is Devashish Pade. Welcome to my class. So, let us start today's class. What is JVM, JRE and JDK? So, we know in the previous classes that JVM is nothing but it is a Java virtual machine. Okay. It is not physically exist. What is the work of JVM? The work of JVM is it converts the .class file into .exe file. First of all, whenever we write a program, that program is saved with .java extension. So when we compile this file, that is changed to .class file. That .class file is system independent. That is changed to .exe file by the help of JVM, and JVM is system dependent. Okay, so what is the main work of JVM? The main work of JVM is it changes .class file into .exe file, and always remember JVM is system dependent, but .class file or bytecode is system independent. So JVM is a virtual machine because it does not physically exist. Why it is called virtual? It is not a real machine. It is a virtual machine. Why it is called virtual? Because it does not physically exist. Physical existence of JVM is not there. It is just a specification. Okay, JVM is just a specification that provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. Okay, so JVM just provides an environment. Okay, runtime environment. On that runtime environment, the bytecode is executed. Okay, so what is JVM? The JVM is just a specification which provides a runtime environment where our bytecode gets executed. It can also run those programs which are written in other language and compiled to Java bytecode. Okay. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platforms. So I have already told you JVM is platform dependent. So since JVM is platform dependent, different flavors of JVMs are available. For Windows operating system, Windows JVM is there. For Linux operating system, Linux JVM is there. For Solaris operating system, Solaris JVM is there. So JVMs are available for different software platforms. JVM, JRE and JDK are platform dependent. All the three are platform dependent because the configuration of each operating system is different from each other. Okay, operating system configuration is different. So these are known as platform dependent software. However, Java is platform independent. Always remember these things. JVM is platform dependent, but Java is platform independent, and .class file or the bytecode is platform independent. There are three notations of the JVM. First one is specification, implementation, and instance. And what JVM will do, we have already discussed. JVM first loads the .class file by the help of JVM performs the different tasks. So first it loads the code. After that, it verifies the code whether the .class file is correct or not. After that, if the dot class file is correct, it executes the code and provides a runtime environment. So these are the different tasks of those APIs. Loads the code, verifies the code, executes the code, and provides runtime environment. Okay. Next one is JRE. JRE is Java Runtime Environment, or it is otherwise called as Java RTE, Runtime Environment or RTE. The Java Runtime Environment is a set of software tools which are used for developing Java applications. So what is JRE, or what is the task of JRE? JRE generally provides different types of software tools, and that software tools are used for developing your Java applications. Okay, or you can say that JRE contains a set of libraries for developing the Java application. It is used to provide a runtime environment, and it is the implementation of diff. And always remember, JRE is physically exist, but JVM is not physically exist. What it contains? It contains a set of libraries and other files that JVM uses at runtime. Okay. So this is the diagrammatic view of your JRE. JRE means JVM plus some set of library files. Library means, let us consider RT.java, okay, and some other things. So in single word, what is JRE? JRE is equal to JVM plus a set of libraries. Okay. Next, what is generally JDK? JDK is Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit is a software development environment which is used to develop Java applications and applets. Okay. This software development environment which is generally used to develop Java applications, and it is also physically exist, and JDK is nothing but JRE plus some development tools. JDK is an implementation of any one of the given Java platform: Standard Edition of Java Platform, Enterprise Edition of Java Platform, Micro Edition of Java Platform. The JDK contains a private Java virtual machine and a few other resources such as interpreter or loader, compiler, archiver, documentation generator, etc. to complete the development of a Java application. And this is the diagrammatic view of JDK. JDK means JRE plus some development tools. In a single line, JDK means JRE plus some development tool, and JRE means JVM plus some library files. So in JDK, JVM is present, JRE is present, and development tool is present, set of library is present. So you can say that JDK contains all these things to develop one Java application. So JDK, inside JDK, JRE, inside JRE, JVM. Okay, so JDK is wider than JRE. JRE is wider than JVM. Okay, so in single word, JVM does not physically exist. JRE physically exists. JDK physically exists. JVM creates a virtual environment where .class file is executed. JRE contains set of library files for development of Java application, and JRE is equal to JVM plus set of libraries. JDK contains all these things: JRE, JVM, set of libraries, development and development tools for the complete development of Java. Or in generally, JDK is equal to JRE plus some development tools. Okay, so this is all about difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. Thank you.